guys, this just shows you, here's the live band here. They're jamming out. I'm about to go get another lemonade. And also this just shows you, like, look at the people just sitting here chilling, relaxing. Oh, those cute little puppies. Oh my God, they're so adorable. Let me walk away before they make me want to buy a puppy. One thing I will say, I do miss traveling the world with cats. So much fun having cats with me. Okay. These are some cute little bags here, guys. For the, not guys, for the ladies. And look like they're about 900 Rand. I think that's like $35. These are really pretty. So really nice. Clutches. Those are really nice prints. How you doing? Hey, cutie. Hey. Then we're back over here. There's the food area. I'm gonna go back over there. So it is now about 2:30. I will say this, the weather is a lot cooler. It's not as hot right now. So I think I might get something else to eat on, like a fatty, even though I know I don't need it. Let me go ahead and get another lemonade while I'm here, guys. And I might get a oyster mushroom bao bun also. All right, guys, we only have one lemonade left. Oh, look at this cute little puppy. Oh, look how adorable he looks. Refill. Excuse me. It's perfect. It was delicious last time. Thank you. Oh, nice.
Are you sure you don't want pizza? Thank you. There you go.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yes, ma'am, that'll be all for right now. Refill. Oh, it's no problem.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Is he?
Thank you. Oh, no, I don't need one. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. All right, guys, we got another delicious lemonade.
Yay, I'm glad you like it.
That is delicious.
The real deal.
Yes. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so they do have vegetarian.
Garlic sauce, mayonnaise, and then that's you can feel that it's still hot anyway underneath.
All right, guys, those takoyakis were delicious. I might get another one. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, it's worth the wait. I'm back.
Which one do you want? Do you want an original one again?
You know it.
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki original.
I can't remember your name, bro.
Jason. And then let me get an order of crispy oyster also.
That's the last order. That's good.
All right, guys, so I'm going full fat ass right now. But these takoyakis, this is delicious. It says it's Asian street food. I don't know, which country is it from?
It's Japanese.
Oh, okay. I was about to say,
Oh, you're a YouTuber or like a streamer?
I'm a vlogger, not really. I put stuff on YouTube and everything though, but I use every social media.
Damn.
Because when I lived in South Korea, guys, this wasn't the street food there, so now I know it's Japanese. I have to go to Japan. So that is delicious.
Do you have a little bowl? Huh?
Ooh, and that's what the oyster mushrooms look like, guys.
Basically out of order. So what is Tony? Tony?
I think if you're in Vietnam, they use these little skillets, but they use them when they're making their little fried quail eggs, if I remember correctly.
So at 250.
Okay.
And you have Tony? So 165.
Oh, okay.
D. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, it's my size.
There we go.
165. Thank you. And see you at 250.
Okay.
Whilst Tony's not here, can I have the mushrooms and then you give my mushrooms?
No, I can't.
I was just about to ask the same
Because
thing.
I'm not allowed to put the name on the leaf and they don't want me to give it to someone else.
All right, guys, while I'm waiting on that, let's go walk around some more. Get out of this heat. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to actually go. I want to go get some of these nuts if they have some that's not too sweet. Pizza sounded good. I just didn't feel like having to order a pizza without cheese. Sorry about that. I don't know, guys. These nuts look very sweet. I'm gonna have to pass. Fudge milk
Thank you very much.
Here we go.
So,
Bam, guys.
yeah, man, that's usually our first songs, and then it just goes sideways from there. So again, good luck. Good luck. Gotta slow it down. Sorry, it's all that you can say. Yours gone by and still words don't come easily. Like sorry, forgive me. It's all that you can say. Years gone by and still words don't come easily. Like forgive me.
All right, starting to slow down on this side.
What you can say.
They have cannolis here. So, what I'm noticing, this side was crowded in the beginning. Now this side is slow. That side is crowded. So, when you come here,
Oh, definitely.
it's gonna change. Yeah.
Make sure you're opposite to the crowd and you'll be good.
But everything going good?
Very good. But we have to be a little bit hot in here as
Yeah.
I can see you're feeling the same.
Yeah, I'm not making it tomorrow.